Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm again shooting a long format video, and honestly a lot is going to happen in this video because I'm doing something. I'm right now focusing more on reels than long format videos. I'm not saying that I won't be doing long format videos, but consistency on YouTube shorts will be much more than long format videos. So I was thinking why not to do this as well, so that एक तीर से दो निशाने लग जाए. And right now I'm shooting my first reel. I'm actually shooting 7 reels today. Not reels, YouTube shorts, which will eventually also end up on my Instagram reels as trial reels first. I'm just going to document this as well, so keep on watching. So before I continue, I would like to say that abhi ek cheez hua, and I'm so I lost a lot of time there because it's currently 1:30 a.m. and I'm shooting at night because most peaceful and quiet environment that you can ever be in. Kya hua? I was shooting this video. I did my first 3 steps and then I realized that I was not recording. I was like halfway done with my makeup. I again had to remove it and reshoot that part, obviously. Let's see how fast, not like I'm not rushing, but I want to complete this efficiently at the same time. So let's see how quickly I can wrap up the whole thing because time bhi hota hai guys, mujhe sone bhi jana hai. So I want to first show you the setup right now. So this is my camera, I mean my phone. We have the ring light there. I only have one tripod, so I'm using this tripod itself, and that is my guitar stand जिसके ऊपर ring light है. And here is my script. Okay, here are all the products. As you can see, I'm going to switch off the AC because इससे बहुत आवाज़ होता है. And I've also put down my wall clock क्योंकि उसमें भी टिक 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 आवाज़ होता रहता है. So yeah, my next step is going to be my primer. I just don't know. This makes me look like my skin tone looks more warm in this camera, and here I look a bit more cool undertone. So let's move on to the next makeup. I mean next video, and this is going to be the same outfit, same makeup, same background. Now for the next video, honestly I don't have any script because this is going to be a script free video. Like hold like this, then I'm going to do a voiceover. These are the top 3 makeup. No, these are the top 3 lipsticks under rupees 300. No. The only benefit that you have when you are shooting a video where you are not supposed to talk is that, at least in my case, I can keep the AC on. Otherwise, there's a lot of background noise, which I'm sure that this video will have. Yep. I have to continuously run the script in my mind. Otherwise, the visuals and the voice will not match. So I have my second outfit. Let's quickly change it. So for this video, I am going to keep the background same. I mean the setup same makeup, just the outfit is different. The only way to make this a bit more, what should be the term, like diverse, is to change the posting schedule. Like I'm going to my third video, so space out these 3 videos and keep like 1 or 2 videos in between each of these, so you are just spacing out them properly so you can make your feed look a bit more dynamic. Bring in the script. Yep, got it. Go a bit far for, I need to go a bit far for this video because I'm going to do, like, if you have this, you need this. So I need to insert pictures like over here, so I need to have enough space like above my head. So yeah, that's why I have to move a bit. If you have dark spots on that, then use Vivisi. Okay. Done with the third reel as well. Now, On to the next video, which is makeup for interview, like how I do my makeup. I need to remove this makeup for that, and I need a proper outfit. I have my blazer with me, लेकिन मैं इसके अंदर क्या डालूँ? यही डालूँ क्या, ये black tank top? Let me just see if I can make it work. This is again going to be a voiceover video. Yep, I'm doing this after like a year, like not 1 year, after like 2 to 3 years, and honestly I have lost it because ये एक very important skill है honestly, because how you plan your content, how you batch shoot, and at the same time make sure that your content looks very diverse and not like कि तुम एक ही बारी में बैठ के सब वीडियो एक साथ बना रहे हो. So the kind of diversity that you need to bring in, it's very tough without proper planning. और ये मैं बहुत सालों के बाद कर रही हूँ, so I'm slowly and steadily getting back on the track. What's the time? It's 2:17. I'll resume from 2:25. Let's take a 5-minute break. It's 2:24. My break is over. Let's keep going. Let me just get my blazer first, because since this is going to be makeup for interview, so I really want to look a bit formal. I think it's not bad. It looks rather chic because the blazer is not exactly the color match of the black cami top. So while I'm shooting, I'm also listening to a podcast. This is by Riya Chakraborty. It's named as Chapter 2. So I'm listening to this Zakir Khan and Tanmay Bhatt podcast, which I'm really liking. Before this, I listened to the Slate Point one. I don't have good backgrounds honestly in my room. The light तो आ रहा है ठीक ठाक. Let me just increase the brightness. I think that this will work. Yeah. Done. Okay, so I know batch content shoot करना थोड़ा different होता है rather than 1 or 2 videos. Next video is all the hair care products that I use. So I have the script over here. Okay, going to keep the same makeup. Hair तो मेरा ठीक ही है. The hair mask with me. Hair mask आ गया, serum आ गया, और क्या चाहिए? Now since I do not use a lot of product on my hair, so video भी छोटा होने वाला है. यार I look so good with. I know I should not be complimenting myself, but sometimes I just can't resist. That is, I look so good in straight hair. I mean, I had straight hair. बहुत पहले मैंने करवाया था. I mean, मैं अभी भी करवा सकती हूँ फिर से, लेकिन you get a lot of hair fall. मुझे तो बहुत hair fall हुआ था उसके बाद. And एक टाइम के बाद जब योर पुराने वाले बाल starts growing, ना, it looks very odd. The brightness is very high. Done with my hair care product routine video. Done with my hair products video. Now, so 5 videos done, only 2 more to go. So I have only one script to follow. Let me just wear some eyeliner because I really miss doing my eyeliners all the time. I am becoming a blush puglu ever since I bought this Mars blush. Script वाला video है ना, इसके लिए भी background change करना पड़ेगा. Should I stand and speak? I think this is better. Just plain background. That's it. Guys, you see these black marks? See? These black marks, you know what it is? This is my kajal जो टूट के अभी गिर गया था. मैंने देखा नहीं था कहाँ गिरा है. I've stepped on it. I did not even feel it, and my whole floor and my soles are dirty now. I'm just left with one more video. I'll keep this makeup only because this actually looks very versatile with whatever I currently do or wear. Maybe it's 3:30 already. I thought to wrap up by 3:30. So I've decided that I will first clean my room a bit because honestly पूरा ख़त्म हो जाएगा काम, उसके बाद फिर से रूम क्लीन करना पड़ेगा. Oh my god, मैं ये सोच के मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. So I'm going to clean a bit. So I'm done with all the videos. I really like this lip combo. Also matches really well with what I'm wearing. I really don't want to remove this, but I have to because I'm now about to go to sleep. I'm very tired, but honestly I just love what I was doing. I really like this look. I mean, middle partition is really not my thing. I think side partition always works well, and it looks so good. I mean, the makeup looks so good. Oh my god. Okay, we'll just do this makeup look someday else again. So while I'm removing my makeup, I'm going to blabber a bit because I really want to. I might not include this in the video, but just for my own personal sanity. So I'm using the Nykaa makeup melter. This has oil and micellar water both in it, so it's a very good product. Like one swipe में ही बहुत makeup चला जाता है. Okay, I really did not want to get rid of the lips. I mean lip makeup. It's time to get rid of the face. I mean the makeup. You see this shine on my face? This is all because of the oil. I'm going to quickly now cleanse my face and come back. Okay, now. So my skin has been through a lot today, so I'm not using any actives right now. Only cleanser and moisturizer. So I made a video recently where I was reviewing all the lip balms that I have. I also reviewed this Vaseline lip balm. If you haven't watched that, I will link that up right in the I button. Most probably it will be here or here. There I mentioned that the packaging is something that is very problematic, at least for me. So like right now I did my cleanser, my moisturizer, and my hands still have a bit of moisturizer left, and now when I'm trying to open this up, my hands are literally slipping off. Time consuming to open up. And you know, not Indian consumers, I don't know, but people nowadays usually they are very out of patience. Instead of keeping the mechanism like this कि ऐसे खोलना है, we can just twist it and then open. I think that is much better. So that's it. I'm going to end the video right over here because I have nothing else to do apart from like making the bed. I'm going to just sleep. It's almost it's past 4 a.m. I guess. It's 4:03. Okay, so it's no joke anymore. I have to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. Good night. At least for me, it's good night. Chalo, bye.